Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Nest device is powered and near the new router. You need strong signal to complete the handoff. Open the Google Home app and sign into the same Google account used to set up the device. Once done, make sure the app is updated. This avoids protocol mismatches. Then tap the Nest device card to enter device settings. This is the first actionable step because changing networks begins inside device settings rather than the router. Inside the device settings, locate the Wi-Fi section and select Forget Network to remove the old credentials. This forces a fresh connection. Next, choose Add Network or set up a new device and follow the prompts. Your phone may switch to the Nest's temporary setup hotspot. Enter the new SSID and password exactly and decide between two. 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. Make sure the phone stays on the same local network during the process to maintain control. Once you submit the new credentials, wait for the Home app to report the Nest as connected or online. This confirms successful authentication. Test basic functions like playing sound, checking sensor status, or pinging the device IP to verify stability. If the device fails to connect, power cycle both the router and the Nest device, unplug, wait 30 seconds, then restart. If problems persist, double-check SSID spelling, network band compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.